lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial is going to be threading hairstyle. So are you looking for a threading hairstyle, unique threading hairstyle to make for your daughter? Watch this video till the end. This video is yours. And another thing is I'm going to be doing a 6 months threading hairstyle challenge for this particular daughter of mine. You know, I'm making 3 of their hair in this channel. So if you know you are interested, join me for this challenge. Let's make this hair together and see how our daughter hair will turn out to be in 6 months time. So let's get to it, guys. So before I start making the hair, I first of all moisturize it and spray it. Now I am sectioning it round, just inside, just like so. Do it round. Then when I'm done, I will use Shana John to clear the parts. Then use hair clip to hold it just like so. Then now I will start packing it. I'm going to use black rubber band to hold all the hair. So I will start sectioning it down, lining it down just like so. See the way I'm doing it now. Then use rubber band to hold it. So this is how I'm going to section it round like this. Then inside is going to be different. So what I normally do, and I recommend you also do the same thing, is to always moisturize your hair before you start making it. It will make it look softer. So this hair challenge I'm going to make, I recommend you as a mom to join me. Let's make this hair together. I just want to know what will happen to my daughter's hair in 6 months time. You know, from now to June, I'm going to be making her a threading hairstyle. So inside this hair right now, I'm going to section it into 4 parts. First, I take it straight, then I'll take it like this, just like so. So this way you can be able to get the part that you like. If you want to make your parts this way, so this is how you can easily get this part. Either you are weaving it or you are threading it. When you section it 4 before you start lining it, it will be very easy. You see the way I'm doing it now is very easy. When you section it into 4 before you start, you see, so it gives this fine style, this unique look. I really love it, like the way it is inside. So I use brush to brush it after I apply gel, and I use comb to smoothen it very well before I pack it. You see, so each one, the way I section it into 4, each one came out 3. So this is how they are. So now time for threading. I'm going to be using 3 strands of wool to thread it. This is not Brazilian wool. This is just normal wool. The wool we used to see before is what I'm using right now. So the reason why I use this wool, I decided to use this wool, not Brazilian wool, because this one, when you use Brazilian wool, is tighter, and when you are rolling it, there's a way I pack this hair right. So when you are rolling it, if you use Brazilian wool, it will be like kind of shifting somehow. So but this one is just perfect, you know. And also when you pack this hair, sorry for the noise, me and my baby, we are just here. When you pack this hair and you want to start threading it, don't take your thread down too much so that it will not tight. Like when I make my children threading hairstyle, they sleep peacefully the same day. They don't have any problem, most especially with this particular wool. But with Brazilian wool, sometimes they complain that it's tight, you know, because the texture of that one and this one is quite different. This one, the texture looks like just a normal cloth, which you can, this is the one you need to knit. They used to knit maybe shawl, sweater, and all these things is what I'm using now, you know. And Brazilian wool, I feel that it's too tight. I decided to be using it to weave their hair, not to thread anymore. So this is what I'll be using for the threading, because I want to make their hair I have peace and they will have peace too. So you see that part I was telling you, see, if you look inside now, see, it's so fine. So this is the last part we're going to be making, and I use 3 strands of wool all through. So after this now, I'm going to wrap everything. So you will understand what I was explaining earlier when I said the reason why I prefer to use this wool, not Brazilian wool, because this one now, when you roll it, when you twist it, anyhow you do it, it doesn't, like, the wool will not shift. So what you do to secure this hair, when you are threading it with, I started with 3. So when I'm almost getting to the tip, I will reduce it to 2. Then before just some minutes for me to seconds for me to tie it, I will reduce it to 1. I will use the 1 to finish the threading. Then that same one I will use to tie it. So this way your hair will not lose, and this is the part I explained before. See the way I'm rolling it now. When you roll it like this, if it's the other one, it will shift somehow or to be tight. So I roll it as if I want to thread it that way, so it will remain like this, as if it's coiled. You can also use either your pencil or your pen to roll it first. If you cannot just do this one and be tying it, you can use it to roll it first to give you that coiling that you want. Because she is swimming, and I want to make her the hair that will be able to that she will be able to use to swim. And when you are swimming, you use a swimming cap. So I will always be tying all the hair I'll be making for her, so that when she gets to school, she wants to go to her swimming course, she can be able to use her swimming cap to cover it. So I don't want to make the kind of hair that I will make for her, even if she likes it. But when it comes to when she wants to swim, it will be difficult for her to wear that swimming cap. So that is why I am going to be this 6 months challenge I'm going to do for her. It's going to be all through. I'm going to wrap everything together, no matter the style I make for her. When I'm done, I will wrap it. Because before last year, I was always making her cornrows, sometimes all back. So I got tired of it. Her hair was getting just fuller, but not getting longer. So now the hair is full enough. So it's time for us to stretch the hair. So that's why I decided to do this threading for 6 months and see how it's going to be. So you see the way I am doing it now. When I tie two together, you thread it. Then when you want to put another one, that two you tie together, you already form a hole. Then you put another one. Before you put it, or after you put it, you twist it. Then it will look as if you coil it. It will remain like that, you see. So this one now, I'm going to put it inside that place now. I didn't twist it first. So after I finish doing it, I'm going to use my hand to twist it. That's the amazing thing about this wool. It goes whichever way you just bend it. See the way I'm doing this one now. If it's Brazilian wool, it will lose. You see, like this. You see now, it still remains the way it was. The way it was when I just finished threading it. So that is one amazing thing about this wool. So that's why I will keep using this one. So I didn't order it anyways. My sister bought it for me from Nigeria. So, and I think I will ask her the name again. I will write it in the description section. So feel free to go check it out. Okay. So if this is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. For returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We appreciate you all. So you can also follow us on our social media platform: TikTok Susan Gold or Susan Family, Facebook Susan Gold or Susan LG, and also Instagram Susan Gold. Thank you so much. So you see what I did now? I left two aside to tie it after I finished threading it. Then I'm going to use lighter just to cover the mouth. Now I'm going to put it inside. So and before and after, I'm going to use my hand to rearrange it. See the way I want it to be. So this hairstyle is very easy. I know sometimes when you don't know how to make it seems difficult, but if you really focus, you can make it. You can, because me that I know how to make it now, it was one day I just learned it, So if you really focus, you really want to learn it, it is very easy. All right. So I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So now, see, So I use the lighter. So please, when you want to burn when you burn it from the root, you want to use the lighter. Make sure the lighter is very low. Okay. So that's the end of this video for today. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.